I started teaching at the suburban school of Lewiston-Porter in the borders Niagara Falls in 1961. High school 10th grade social studies teacher, and taught there for 23 years. Enjoyed every minute of it. Well, this was before the Taylor Law. When you start teaching, making $4,500 a year, paid $450 for 10 months and no pay in the summer, and you have a family coming, one wonders what you need to do. I and a few others began to think, well, why can't we organize? And so we put together the Lewiston-Porter Education Association. Being a history teacher, I quickly discovered that the history of the labor movement and unions was not being taught in the schools. So I created a non-for-profit organization called the American Labor Studies Center. Its mission is to promote teaching and learning about the American labor movement and its history in K-12 and higher ed schools nationwide. I was looking for a place to interpret labor history, and someone told me about this young Irish woman who formed the first all-female union in the United States, the Troy Collar Laundry Union, by the name of Kate Mullany. I said, that's got to be a wonderful story. And they say, yeah, she used to live on the corner of 8th and Hoosick and Troy. And I began looking at it and found out that it was, in fact, her home. And I worked through our congressional delegation, through the National Park Service, to get it designated first a National Historic Landmark and then National Historic Site. What we did is decided to take the top floor, where we are now, and restore the apartment to what it looked like when she lived here. Then on the second floor, we used that space to establish the office of the American Labor Studies Center. The first floor is really an exhibit about Kate Mullany and the Collar Laundry workers. So we're very proud of what we have here. It's been a dream come true. I've been so gifted and with the opportunities that have come my way because of the kind-heartedness of the teachers in this state and the other members of the labor movement.